Okay, welcome again, everybody, to the Stephen Williams Show. Hope everything is good with you. Be keeping safe, you and your family and your loved ones. As I had promised, today I want to talk to you about how you make money when you buy stocks. How does it work? All right, so stay with me and I'll teach you. And this, of course, is for people who don't know, beginners. So let us see how this thing works. Today we'll be looking at a few stocks, the price movements, and so on. All right, and we'll elaborate on that as we go along. So let's get down to the program. I am on marketwatch.com. And let's look at this stock, Tesla. About say 3 months ago, this stock was selling for between say 1,900 thereabout. As a matter of fact, they were saying that it was going to go to $1,000. But as time moves by, a couple weeks later, I think the company put out a good report, and so Tesla just started riding high because investors likes to hear that the company that they are putting their money in are doing well. All right, so Tesla moved on there. Then we hear Facebook. Facebook a couple weeks ago, I even bought some at 261. It wasn't going anywhere, so I said, you know what, let me change, and I bought Tesla. I think I said that in my first video. But look at it today, it's 297.67. And that's how the market works. 297.67. Then we look at Amazon, one of the best companies in the world right now. Look at the previous close was 3441.85. And then, of course, it went to 3442.16 at the close, I think it was. So, this stock is just a good investment. It's always seemed to be on the upward trend. Of course, there are times when people take profit, so don't you worry, don't you fret when it goes down a little. Then there's this loser stock, Freshie. It's now at 1.37, $1.37. When this stock debut a couple years ago, look out where it started for $14. Yeah, and I bought some at that price. And see, so the price is now at $1 from 14 to $1. So if you had invested your money and didn't sell, you would have been in a big trouble. Then there's Novavax here. Novavax, look at Novavax. It's at 110.25, close at 114. So obviously that red line you see, it's below the red line. So it means it's on the way down. Not a good sign. But this is a good stock. I made some money off it. It tends to go up and down, and all stocks go up and down. But sometimes some of them is just on an upward momentum like Tesla, while others have gone on their momentum ride, and then now they're reversing. In other words, they're going back down. So this is one that has been in a little reversal mode, not completely, but yeah, see, over a 1 month period, it has kind of gone down a little after making a big upswing. So we look at various time on the chart and look where it's coming from, and obviously this is when the chart look like this, it was down and then it goes up. That tend to be a good pattern. The downward trend nobody likes. People like when the stock go up because the more it goes up is the more money you'll be making. So yeah, this stock Novavax has been on a nice ride. See it coming from January 20th. Um, and as you can see there in 2020 in January, this stock was about a $3 stock, and today it's $100. So for people who bought it at let's say $4 there in January, 2020, and you held that stock, man, imagine how much money you would have made, So, that is, you can stay right at home, sit on your bed if you have some money to invest, and you can buy stocks, but you got to be careful. Don't buy, you've got to be careful, because it can go in a downward trend. All right, so let us, sorry, move on here. Well, we saw Facebook already. We look at year to date. Facebook has been doing well from 212 in January. It's now at almost $300, and it coming from 38 all time, going from $38 and 200 and going to $300. Man, see, long-term investing. That's why I say I believe in the principle of buy, hold, and prosper in good companies. When you buy good companies, you can make good money. Anyway, my friend, I want to leave it there for tonight. So I hope you learned something. Again, it is the quantity that matters, and I've only shown you a few selected stocks. There are stocks that are not as expensive as Tesla and Amazon, because these stocks are just these company stocks are just on a wild ride. You don't know, maybe Tesla will get a reversal, or maybe to just continue to ride because people are now believing in that company, and so they're very fired up about it. So if you get in, I got in at 1650, bought a few stocks, and I'm glad that I took the plunge, as the voice said to me. Yes, believe it or not, I would wake up out of my sleep, and a voice said, take the plunge, take the plunge. And I'm wondering what kind of plunge is this talking about? And then I realized it was about the stock market, and I took the plunge at about 16, roughly 1650 thereabout, and this thing has just been on a wild ride. So it's making me some money. If I'd put even more, I would be even making more, but I like to spread the risk, so I bought some Amazon and some Tesla, and it's doing well, so far so good, knock on wood. Anyway, people, hope that you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to add value to your life, and you add value to my channel by subscribing. So there's a thumbs up button. Just click the thumbs up button to show me that you like my work. And also, you can leave a comment. I'd like to know what you think about the presentation. And of course, you may have some persons who don't know how this thing works. So you can share it with them, let them learn. And, it's good to help people. Anyway, I just want to leave it there for tonight. I hope that you enjoy this presentation. May God bless you. Take care until I see you in my next video.